I came here to Laos not because I have money, but these people were the ones who supported me to be here. And as I was worshiping kanina, the Lord was telling me, it's not a matter of what you do, but it's a matter of who you are. I am here right now, sharing my life to you, not because of anything that I have done in my household, as a household head. But I am here because there were people in my household who cared for me and who showed me that I don't have to do anything. I don't have to be perfect, actually. No, they were the first ones who loved me for who I am. Even when I was in sin, and even if I continue to sin, they were always there. And I know that I could vouch for them. And that's why I was crying kanina, because I was recalling all of those happy memories that I have of my household. And they're here. These friends are with me along the way. They've been with me. They are Jesus walking in man's shoes, telling me that I love you. I love you. And basically, the household isn't unity. A household is only the vehicle that the Lord uses to tell a person that you're not alone. You do not have to carry this cross alone. You are with us, and we will help you to carry your cross. They are my angels of Sodom and Gomorrah. They are my Simon of Cyrene, carrying me, helping me to carry my cross, because I cannot do it alone. And that's my last point in my sharing. Household should be a covenant of love, of individuals who will be there for thick and thin, aspiring not only for what you can do for that person, but accepting that person for who she is, for who he is. And that is where we will share God's love. Praise be to God.